Alrighty, guys. I am on the West End, at the West End in Atlanta, and I just wanted to show you guys the back of this building. It's super duper messy. We're gonna get to the car. Like, comment, subscribe. Right here we have a 2015 to 2022 Dodge Challenger, passenger side door glass. Um, like, comment, subscribe, show love. Now we're going to begin by removing the screws that are underneath the little change holder there on the side, and right there behind the door handle there is another screw to be removed. The one in front of the door handle, I believe, is a Phillips, and right there it's got to be like a 7. It's odd that they would mix it up. And down at the bottom of the door panel, down below all of that, are 3 small screws. I'm going to show you guys that in a second, I believe, here. That's me. Hey, what's up? Right there, I'm sorry, and there. Yeah, 3. So those ones are going to be the 7s, I believe, as well. Once you got them out of the way, go ahead and gently pop your door off. You want to get a feel for those snaps. You don't want to snatch on them too hard. You want to get to the point where you kind of got a feel for it. And sometimes if you're pulling and it's not moving, that means that there may be a screw in there somewhere that you forgot or that you didn't notice. Sometimes they're hiding down in that change area on the side, at the bottom, like behind the actual door handle, or like it'll split in half and there'll be like a false wall back there. Anywho, here we are. And pop. And there are also plastic door opening tools you can purchase as well there. So that black wire down at the bottom right is to your door handle. The rest is connecting to the windows and the window motor. So we do want to clear out that glass that's in there, even though it's not very much. In my opinion, I do feel that these cars in particular are a bit more easy, as long as you make sure that when you place it, it's going all the way up, because it has like that soft set setting to where it'll be like slightly down, then you close. If you guys are owners of this car, you know what I'm talking about, or have driven one or been around it. But it'll go down a little bit, then you close it, and then it shoots back up. So you just want to make sure that when and where it shoots up, that it's in a good spot, and you'll be able to tell that by checking the other side. Because if not, then of course you can end up getting like wind inside of the car. So here I am removing the door glass, doing the best that you can to get that door glass out of there. Down here there are 2 10mm bolts. They go through the glass, and the glass has like holes in each one. So you use the 10mm bolt and boom, remove it, put the glass in, tighten it up. There I am removing one. Now when you're tightening these, make sure not to tighten them too hard when you put the new glass in, and also make sure to get all of those glass shards out of there. Because if not, like say, the glass is bust and it's got these 2 little clamps that hold the glass. Now say that, how do you say this? Say that you put that in there and there's a piece of glass. The clamps, as you tighten them, squeeze the glass tighter and tighter and tighter. So don't over tighten it. Also make sure that it is clear, because if there's a chip of glass in there, one day they're just going to close the door and it could bust. So that's something to take into consideration. I believe that pretty much wraps it up in a bow. You want to get that door panel back on there, man. Make sure that your door handle is connected. Make sure everything's back reconnected. Make sure the glass goes back up and down safely and nicely before you go closing it up, because then you're going to just have to reopen it. And then, like I said, you want to, of course, test that is going up. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys.